you run away from your mental instability and life by buying copious amounts of squishmallows to the point where you have nowhere to store them? Yeah, I'm looking at you. Or maybe you just have a few plushies that you want to give a home to that has a nice aesthetic feel to it, such as myself. I ordered this hammock to give them a nice cozy place for my streams that didn't disrupt sitting on the couch. That was a previous issue. I used a 3/16 inch drill bit and a hammer to complete my installation. Alrighty. Okay, here goes fucking nothing. I don't know how much weight this can hold. Come on over here. One fucking blurry cunt, aren't you? I've done my research. I know what I'm doing. Holy shit, there's a hole in the wall. All right, last hook. Working surprisingly well. Yo, that actually looks sick. I have this. I don't know if he's going to fit in there, but this could be like a weight test. So chonky. Yes, it does fit big things. I think we just throw them in there. No one gives a shit about Toad. They were not visible, like, at all. And then I have little Pikachu. Wow, look at that. It's a great addition to my setup and it solved my problem. Speaking of problems.